You're making your own coffee?
Yeah, I'm doing some cost-cutting measures and getting rid of unproductive employees.
I'm fired. Was it raining?
I don't know.
Very cloudy outside. What's the plan today? It's Friday, the 3rd of January. Hala, nilanggam di adto. Oh, na bird. Did you see that? There's a bird over the roof. A big one. What is this?
Those are hangers. Not all hangers are for clothes.
Hangers for your punching bag.
That's why I married you, because you're so smart.
See? You think that I am the one who shop a lot? No. It's not me, guys.
I only shop for necessary things. It's actually designed to...
Ako naman, yung mahilig ko clothes. When I shop for clothes. Alam mo ba ito yun? Wow.
Yeah. So it attaches to the ceiling like this. And then the bag attaches here, and then all of these springs dampen the motion of the bag, so it's not putting so much stress on your rafters.
Sobrang aga, 7:19. Naririnig ko siya. Nag-put away ng mga dishes. Every morning na niyang ginagawa. Very good. Hindi na siya naghihintay sa akin. Sakit ng lalamunan ko, guys. Hindi ko alam. Nagkaka-sore throat ako dito. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko ito nakukuha. Hindi ako like inuubo. Masakit lang talaga yung lalamunan ko. Like, sobrang sakit. It's been like, I think after New Year, ganon. After New Year, nagkakasakit na talaga yung lalamunan ko. Madami akong gagawin today kasi kailangan ko i-spray. Kailangan ko i-paint yung aking frame for my picture kasi meron akong picture, pinakita ko yun na nakaraan. But I have to hang it to our bedroom na. Kasi nagkalat-kalat yung picture natin sa bedroom. So, gagawin ko siya today. Like, yung mga inisip ko nung nakaraan na dapat gagawin ko siya today. Anyway guys, hindi ako nakapag-video ng New Year's and that's because hindi po kami nag-New Year. Hindi kami nag-celebrate ng New Year. Kasi, okay, sobrang sinabi ko to nung nakaraan na December, diba, like 25, hindi po talaga sila nagsiselebrate dito. And then, at the same time, kung magluluto ako ng maramihang food, masasayang lang siya. So, sabi ko, wag na lang tayong mag-celebrate. Pero kung nasa Pinas kami, I'm sure magsiselebrate. Pero wala kami sa Pinas, walang kakain. Anyway, yung asawa ko bumili na naman ng bagong shelves. Kasi ilalabas daw niya lahat yung kanyang books. Alam niyo naman yung books niya, di ba? Ang dami niyang books. Nakita niyo yun sa duplex na 2 shelves, puno-puno ng books. Nagdagdag din naman siyang isa kasi meron pa daw siyang books. So, ang mangyayari guys, okay lang kasi malaki naman itong bahay. So, hindi ko alam kung saan niyo ilalagay. Do you want your books to be the same as before? Like it's in the TV? I mean, diba, like bookshelves that we put it close to the TV, just like before.
That's entirely up to you. You're in charge of decorating.
It's entirely up to me because
But I'm putting that shelf together today, so you tell me where you want it, because it becomes a real pain to move once you put the books in.
Okay. Tama naman.
So if you want the hallway to be clear, then yeah.
To be clear, that you have to move this as well.
I mean, you can. But just remember that if you put them on each side of the television, you're going to have to move the Christmas tree next year to a different place. Instead of the corner, you'd have to probably bring it over. You either have to move it over here, kind of in the middle, or you have to put it in the other corner by the table.
Good morning. Actually, not good morning. Alas 10 na. Good morning. Okay. How would you carry it? You have books pa. You leave the book sa car.
I'm offended.
You're offended? Say hi. What's the name of your toys?
Brownie.
Brownie. So, we got this one from CVS. Binili namin sa CVS, guys. Naka 50% off. Sabi ko, kunin na natin kasi nakabili ako ng brown na teddy bear.
Gingalanan ni mama itlog. Pero
Tapos kinuha nila. Supposedly akin yun. Nangilog, oh. So, sa kanya yung brown na teddy bear. Kang Ashley ito, oh. Hi. Pero, ang problema, ang iyang ingon ni kay, oh, mahapa. This one, magtindog. Tapos this one doesn't. Ching. Walay energy. Walay energy. Did you do? Anong ipang balibag man imong toys? Why did you throw it away? Ang dami mong toys pinaglabay, bilabay mo yan. Maligo tayo today, ha? You're gonna take bait. You have to bait today, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready to bait today, Kali? We're gonna bait you today, okay?
Uning i-rate.
You're gonna rate my fried rice?
Tap.
Wow. Oh, diba? Naubos na. Kanina, puno pa yun. Kinain ko rin. Lami siya. Good. Okay. Mabito ng
9.8 out of 10.
9.8. Huh? You wanna wear boots? Well, it's up to you. Yeah. Yeah. Daddy finish it. You have to... Nagnakay Did you wear Okay, socks. Oh, malinis siya.
Yeah, I had to turn this shelf around. But
It's wrong?
well, it was just backwards.
Oh. Wow. Yeah, books can...
These are, the screws go on from one side,
Oh.
so they can be recessed a little bit, and you can cover it. And this board was turned around. So everything else was good.
Yeah, binilhan ni Bill. How do you call this one? Box storage?
Cube organizer. Or
cube.
storage.
Cube organizer. Binilhan niya yung mga kids. So, tig-isa sila, guys, para sa room. Kasi yung books nila, maghahanap kami kung saan ilalagay ba. So, at least meron ito para malagay nila yung mga books and stuffs for their school. Meron na yan. Tig-isa sila, Ashley. Yung kay Ashley, hindi pa nabuo. But Nicole is trying to assemble this last night. So, Bill finish it. Kasi hindi niya tinapos. Wala siyang screwdriver. Pero hanga ako kay Nicole kasi talagang nagtry talaga siya, guys, na siya yung nag-assemble. Oh, tingnan nyo. May note pa yan. Not finished yet. O, diba? But, yeah. Grabe naman si Daddy. This one, ito yung box pala. Ganito siya, guys, pag ma-assemble na. So, merong 9 cubes. Magkakasya yung books. Which is really good. So, they really needed it. Maghahanap lang tayo ng area kung saan natin ilalagay. Kasi malaki pala to. Kay Ashley, eto, hindi pa na-assemble, guys. Yan, nasa box pa rin. Ayan. So, well, good thing. Nag-arrange yung anak ko. Nung nakaraan kasi sobrang, messy. But now, she's trying to do her best. Plan pala namin, guys, no? Itong bookshelves na to, guys, i-move namin to close to the couch area there sa living area. Para yung ating pathway ay malinis na. I mean, magiging malaking pathway na lang. Ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo na picture ba na kailangan kong ilagay sa frame. But then yung frame kasi, guys, kailangan ko siyang spray ng black kasi sabi ni Belle sa akin, mas maganda yung black yung magiging frame ng picture. So this one, ito yung, I ordered this one from, ano ba pangalan nun? So ito siya, para siyang, malaking, hindi ko ma-explain, pero, hindi siya yung picture na papel. You know what I mean? So I really wanted to, I've been thinking about this for a long time na noon, gusto ko siyang gawin sa duplex, but then nabutan nga kami ng time na lilipat, bibiling bagong bahay. So now I was thinking na sige, gagawin ko na siya. So binili ko na siya, guys. I mean, I ordered this one customized, And it has a frame as well, but then yung frame niya kasi nakasama, wala siyang choices. So yung frame niya is like wood color lang. So parang yung wood na parang yellowish, yung mga ganun. Sabi ni Belle sa akin na gusto niya na dark black yung magiging frame. So yun yung gagawin ko today, mag-spray ako. I-spray ko siya. Bumili kami ng spray from Lowe's just to cover the wood color of that frame para magiging match siya sa aming wall. Kasi yung wall natin, it's like pastel gray. I don't know if it's gray, diba? Parang gray. But yeah, I'm gonna hang it today. I really told myself, gagawin ko na talaga siya today. I'm not gonna wait for another day. Kasi it's the 3rd of January. Like for the past week, wala kami masyadong nagagawa. Although, yeah, meron naman. Pero, literal talaga na marami pa rin kaming gagawin, guys. Hindi kasi namin ma-focusan talaga na gawin lahat kasi like for example, meron na naman tayong lalakarin, meron na naman pupuntahan, yung mga ganon. And today, sasamahan ng asawa ko yung mama niya, sasamahan ni Belle, si ma'am, na pupunta ng doctor today. Oh God.
Wala si ate, kaya hindi ko niya katawan.
What? What did you say?
Wala.
You don't wanna come with them?
Sige pa mo
No,
anak
she'll
mo
be
eh.
bored.
Huh? She'll be bored?
Yeah, we could be there for quite a while.
Yeah, I'm sure. Nicole is coming with you.
And we might get lucky.
Yeah. Yung car namin, it needs to be clean. Hindi pa ako naglinis ng car, guys. Well, it's a good weather today. Hindi malamig. That's good. It's not cold today, which is good.
You helping me or you gonna
You're gonna assist Daddy. She's like, I thought I'm just gonna come and then ride and then that's it. What did I say? Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, guys, mag-reveal tayo. Mga curious. So, si mom po, yung mother-in-law ko, she's living with us now. I mean, she's living with us because of what was going on when Belle and I keep going back and forth just to check on her. She was living before in Huntsville. Go to Huntsville to check on her, and then when she had a checkup with the doctor. But then, when things happen, yun nga, nagkaroon siya ng surgery at the same time na merong sa kanyang paa, so she cannot live by herself. So, of course, si Belle yung pinaka-eldest and he's the responsible one, among the siblings. I'm telling you, the way he cared for his mom is and we already talked about this when we were still in the Philippines, na alam ko talaga, he always think about his mom. So, alam ko talaga na time comes na one of these days na sa amin talaga magtitira yung mother-in-law ko. And then, I told him, you have nothing to worry about me because in the Philippines, diba, we Filipinos, we are raised, and I think it's part of our value and culture na we really take good care of our grandmas, our mom, diba, at the end of the day. So, para sa akin naman, it doesn't really something that ang tawag nito na mahirap gawin kasi si mom naman, my mother-in-law, the sweet one. She's really sweet. She is number 2, soft-spoken person I've known. Number 1 yung sister ko. She's been living with us here for since nang nag-move kami ng 11 ng December, she came here 12 ng December. So she been with us for the past 2 weeks, more than 2 weeks na. I think 3 weeks na. Here, sa bahay na to, guys. You just don't see her on the vlog because apparently, hindi talaga sila yung klase ng tao na gusto makita sa video. I do like respect that part na may mga tao talaga na ayaw talaga magpa-film, which for me, it's very understandable. Yung kapatid ko ayaw din magpa-video. So, but there are times na ano ko lang, konting clip, that's it. Pero hindi ko talaga like pinofocus. Respect the part na yung husband ko talaga nag-request, or yung husband ko talaga, he really told me na I don't have to show mom in the vlog. And it's okay. But I just wanted you to know. It's not a secret. I mean, like, maybe a little secret na hindi ko sinabi noon. Ayaw lang talaga ng husband ko maipakita si mom sa video. But, yeah, now you know na she's living with us. And mom is 84. She will be 85 next year. Yeah, 85 next year. So, you know, we are just here for her. And then we're, like, I'm just always, like, nung sinabi ko sa inyo guys na lagi kaming umaalis, that's because we are always like, take her to places na kailangan mapuntahan niya, like doctor's appointment, mga ganon. So, ganon. And, it's really like, we always making sure na na-attend namin lahat yung kailangan niya when it comes to her health. Because, alam naman natin guys, diba, lahat tayo tatanda. So, this is the only thing that we can do for her. Taking good care of her while she is living with us. And like I always told my husband na I will really do my best just to attend whatever she needs, and I'm gonna assist her all the time. And that's what I did. And si mom kasi hindi talaga siya yung like, kahit naka-wheelchair yan guys, hindi talaga siya yung like pasan-pasan mo, like iba sila dito guys. Yung culture nila dito sa US, like, as much as possible na they wanted it independent. Yung like, magagawa nila yung, like, magagawa pa nila. But then, sinabi ko kay mom kasi parang minsan nahihiya na siya sa akin guys nga. Nahihiya siya sa akin ba na magsabi kung kailangan niya na something. Sabi ko sa kanya, you don't really have to be ashamed if you need more help. Kasi, like, it's really normal, especially with her situation. And I know that she is really thankful, I'm sure, kasi sobrang sweet niya talaga. Like, you can really tell how genuine and happy she is. Like, whenever I did something for her. Ikaw na pala, igit. Suspect. Kinuha ang tae ni Kali. You only found one? Lantaw pa more. Oh, yuck! In-explain ko ba to guys, na dito hindi allowed na hayaan yung pupo ng dog sa sa yard. So pinipick up talaga namin yung pupo ng dog. Tapos nilagay namin sa na plastic, and then tapo namin sa big bin. And then kasi bawal dito guys. Kasi masisira daw yung like, nakakamatay daw yun ng mga grass, bitaw. So, pinipick up talaga. Yan yung chores nila kasi sila yung gusto ng aso eh. So, sabi ni daddy, what? More. Look. Other side. Humot kayo? Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Other side, wala? That's it? Are you sure? Sige, binlalin mo si ate, isa pa. Pero, shoot. Ikaw. Baho. Ito pala yung gagamitin ko guys. Oh. So, ito yung sinabi ko kanina na frame. Na kailangan ko siyang i-sprayhan ng black. So, ito yung binili namin ni Belle sa Lowe's. Satin siya. Supposedly, yung idea ko, gusto ko sana matte black. Pero yung asawa kong matigas din, ang bagol-bagol. Gusto niya na satin. Sige, satin na lang. So, yan. Isprayhan natin yan na satin na color black. So, ito yung Hindi ko alam para sa to, pang yoga ata to guys. So lilinisan ko siya kasi nakastock to sa storage for years. This one. And then itong patio natin na chairs, kailangan ko din linisan guys. Kay grabe dusty. Yan Then yung isa dyan, like that one, dog bed, itatapon namin yan guys. Hindi ko na kailangan ng maraming dog bed. And then meron kaming, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko dito kasi sobrang dusty niya talaga. Lilinisan ko din to siguro. Fake plants. Lalagay namin to sa loob. Maghahanap siguro ako ng, meron akong malaking pot sa loob. Palatae. Kami lang ni Ashley dito. Kami lang dalawa. Ayaw niya sumama. So, nag-start na ako mag-clean up. Mga boxes natin everywhere. Kailangan ma-empty na to guys. Kailangan ko to maano na lahat. Kailangan na magbasta. Kapuyag explain English, Tagalog. So ito yung ito yung dapat kong ibabox ulit kasi nag-ano nga kami sa storage niya guys. Parang mga baliw talaga. Ito yung mga damit niya na sabi niya ili-let go na niya. So ayan, puno na yan ng clothes. Sa asawa ko yan guys. Is our old branded na mga jeans and clothes na hindi na niya masusuot. So we're gonna sell this kasi sayang din naman kung ibibigay lang namin guys. Sa akin ibibenta natin yan kasi may store dito na bumibili ng mga clothes. And hoping na we can get like something out of this branded. If only he can wear this, if only this jeans will fit him. Ikikip niya to guys, hindi niya to ibibenta kasi ito yung mga jeans na may brand talaga. Isa daw, Paulmas ako. So, may mga clothes dito, including clothes ng mga bata. Na suppose, ipadala namin sa Pinas. Awa na padala. We will do that next time. Magpapadala ulit tayo ng package sa Pinas. But I'm not really sure if I'm going to do. Nainis ako sa LBC, honestly. LBC, nainis talaga ako sa inyo. Because they promise na as long as makarating or makapadala kami during cut-off, dadating sa Pinas yung package before Christmas. Guys, until now, like it's already ano na ngayon, like January 3. So hindi talaga dumating yung package exactly yung promise nila na dadating ng Christmas. Wala, guys. New Year, wala pa rin. And when I am tracking it down, it's still en route siya ng Uzamis City for the past more than 2 weeks. So sabi ko, ilang days ba yung ship? Ilang days ba yung cargo from Manila to Uzamis? Because usually, if we order naman Shopee, mabilis lang naman. Like, maximum 7 days in cargo, diba? Ship cargo. Pero bakit yung sa balikbayan box, ang tagal. Like, naiinis talaga ako. Wala rin ako makausap na maayos sa LBC kasi lahat ng mga, like for example, if I message them, automatic or automated ba tawag niyan? Yung sumasagot ng concern. So, wala rin akong makukuha talaga na exact na answer. Nakakainis. So, aantayin na lang. Wala tayong choice. Sabi ko, kung makahanap ako ng iba dito, na like courier, to send balikbayan box, maglilipat ako ng courier for balikbayan box. Nakakainis kasi yung LBC. Although, siguro dahil sa holiday, nagkakaroon ng delay. But then, before Christmas pa yun, papuntang Uzamis, en route to Uzamis. So, I'm just like wondering, nag-stop ba yung ship? Nag-stop yung cargo? Nag-stop yung yung anong tawag na to? Yung boat? Yung ship sa dagat? Nag-stop dahil holiday? I don't think so. But, yun na nga, wala tayong, first time ko pa naman gagamit ng LBC ng mga balikbayan box and may mga na I know for sure na hindi yan yung last na magpapadala ako ng balikbayan box sa Pinas kasi may mga times dito na maraming nakasale ba. Then minsan inisip ko, bili ako nito kasi nakasale. Papadala sa Pinas. What time is it? 11:45 na. She's going to make lunch for herself. So, mag-french fries daw siya, guys. Yes. She has a appointment today. 4:15. Pupunta silang Brazos, ano yun, health district para sa kanyang elbow. Tapos, ilang ka minutes? Ha?
Ang minutes na kay 10 to 12.
Ha? 12 minutes? Daghan na yung giluto. Yeah.
There I should preheat air fryer at 400 for 5 minutes.
I-touch daw si Kali kung dry na siya. I don't think so dry siya. Palagi follow pa sa ano, may face wrap device na DJI. Ikaw yes, may follow pa kanya yan. Nalagay ko na siya, guys, sa frame. Yeah, I'm so excited. Lagay natin siya dito. Meron akong isang picture pero hindi nagustuhan ng asawa ko, guys. So, papalitan ko siya. Again, ito yung picture namin together. First meet namin. Mga sexy pa kami nito. Ayaw niya ilagay daw doon. So, magpapalit ako ng isang picture. Yeah, by the way, if you are curious about the size, this is 50 by 70. Malaki siya actually. Maliit lang tingnan sa video pero malaki siya. But later, pakita ko sa inyo kung mahahang ko siya today. I have no idea kasi I think kailangan namin ng ano pa dito para mahang siya ng maayos. But I'll try and see kung malalagay natin siya. But yeah, I'm just so grateful and happy. I'm just so happy with the outcome. Hindi ako nagsisisi na nagpa-customize ako ng ganito. Kasi ito yung first, well actually I had picture pala doon sa TV, above the TV na wedding photo, but I wanted to have view sa aming bedroom. So kaya ito yung ginawa ko, guys. So diba nice? Picture together, my picture alone. Nice siya. I like it. Trying to assemble. Well actually he's trying to assemble. This is the new shelf that he got from yesterday. Ay, symbol pala namin yung box ni Ashley na sa room niya. But ito, kailangan namin i-assemble. Kasi yung mga books doon, guys, ilalagay namin dito. Yeah. Busy. So, tapos na yung frame natin, guys, or pictures na naka-frame na siya, including this one. Meron din akong tatlong ganito na size. Ilalagay natin to sa ating kitchen, but I don't have this para dito. Para mahang natin siya, bibili kami. Pupunta kaming, bibili natin yon. Baka bukas, pupunta tayong Lowe's. Let's see. Kung hindi busy yung ating asawa. Ito, may nahanap ako. Doon sa tabi, or doon sa lagayan niya ng mga tira-tirang mga accessories and everything. So, ayan guys. O, ganito yung bibili natin or something similar ba para mahang natin siya easily. So, diba sa likod ganyan lang. But in front, ganon. Diba? Dako man siya. Actually, malaki siya guys. But hindi ko alam natin sa video, maliit. But then, yeah. Like, what we do here is like just a daily life lang naman. Wala naman talaga kami masyadong special things going on because we are just at home. Pala ako ganyan. Umalis sila guys. Naglilinis ako lahat na. Naglilinis ako lahat. Including na yung mga mirror and yung mga natin. Yung ating mga toilet bowl, yung shower and everything. Nililisan ko yun kanina. Kasi mas prefer ko yung maglilinis ako na ako lang isa. Ako lang mag-isa tao sa bahay. Lagay ko pala yung halaman dyan sa gilid. Oh. Dito yan sa tabi yan. Dyan yan sa tabi nung nakaraan. Pero pupunuin ko pa yan ng bato. Yung bato natin hindi pa napuno. Ayan namin nilagay akong bato. Pupunuin natin yan guys.